All right, hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Let's get some hype in the chat. Let's wait for the audience to kind of get in here, get settled. We got Elite Gaming in the building. What's up, Elite Gaming? We got Bugsy. What's going on, Bugsy? How are you, brother? Thank you for your continued support. All right, we got 11 viewers in the stream. I'm going to start off by saying that this is the second live stream from Crypto Empire. We'll be doing weekly streams, and then we're going to be upping it a bit as we develop, as we get our studio better set up to handle this kind of broadcasting, because this is a show, people. This is me getting my message out into the world. So I want to make it the highest quality possible. I want everybody to be able to listen to watch with, great quality. That's super important to me. I want to be the best. So thank you for attending the stream. What we're going to be talking about today, we're going to be going over the markets. We're going to be going over some latest news. We're going to be going over NFTs, and we're also going to be going over some altcoin picks because it is altcoin season. So we're going to start out right now. Let's take a dive into the computer and go over what's actually happening in the markets. So let's just switch the scene. Let me just make sure it switches. My YouTube is a little bit delayed, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work. Just getting new to the streaming software, guys, so bear with me, all right? Everything will be smooth as ice very, very soon. All right, we got the squad in. What's up, everybody? Let's get it. All right, so taking a look at the market cap. Let's see what's going on. Let's go to... All right, so we got Bitcoin at 55.8 thousand, ETH back up to 1,700. Now, so many people have been hating on ETH because of the high gas fees. Now, look, this kind of frustrates me myself. So what I've been doing personally, I've been spending a lot of time on the Binance Smart Chain. And we see Binance Smart Chain right here at number 3. Guys, as 2021 progresses and DeFi gets more popular, expect to see Binance Coin, expect to see coins like... first of all, Terra Luna. You guys know how bullish I am on Luna, but expect to see coins like Solana. Tron, yeah, maybe Tron will have its day in the sun, but Solana definitely. The team over at FTX, they're doing an amazing job. Pretty much all the smart contract platform competitors that offer very low fees, I am very bullish on right now. Another thing that I'm bullish on, another sector of the cryptocurrency industry, is layer 2s on Ethereum. We got Matic, we got Harmony One, we got XDAI. There's a few layer 2s out there that I expect to perform very, very well. If we look at Harmony One, it's kind of having a little bit of a dip. We're going to get into my altcoin picks later on in the stream, but I just want to mention, okay, Harmony One's back up to 18 cents. I called this one out at 11 cents. I was a bit late to the party getting in, but I did get in, so I am up a decent amount. I hope you guys got into Harmony as well, because this one is going to really rip, and I expect it to do very, very well as 2021 progresses and as Ethereum layer 2s kind of get more attention, because the gas fees on Ethereum it's crazy how expensive it is to interact with the smart contract, to put your money in Uniswap. Let me just make sure this is, okay, yeah, we're looking at the right one. Yeah, so Ethereum layer 2s, I am very bullish on. Harmony one of them. Matic, as you guys know, I made a video about Matic. But let's take a look at the gainers. So Storj, that's essentially a decentralized private network. It's kind of like a VPN, but it's decentralized. I'm going to be speaking about this in this video, how everything will be going to decentralized servers and a decentralized network, because the infrastructure that the web, the whole internet is built on right now, it's all centralized. Think of Amazon Web Services. A company hosts their website on the Amazon cloud, and the Amazon cloud goes down. Well, guess what? Your website goes down as well. So you're reliant on a third-party server. You want to get to the point where you're unreliant on anything, okay? So I'm going to get more into that in a little bit. You want to be reliant on yourself is what I'm saying. You don't want to rely on a third party. You want to rely on yourself. You are your own best asset. So Storj, absolutely ripping it. Mana, Decentraland, back up to $1.06. Let's go. I've been hodling that. I took that trade at 23 cents. I called it out in a video. I hope you guys got into Mana as well. Absolutely ripping it. Look, Decentraland, I'm going to go to their website real quick. If you guys don't know about this yet, take a look, because this has to do with NFTs. Essentially, Decentraland is this online video game. It's kind of like Minecraft, and you can buy property, you can buy land on it with mana, which is the currency inside of the game. So that's the asset that we trade. And essentially, you can build these properties that you buy, and you build it however you want. Ethereum developers are going wild. And essentially, this property that you build becomes an NFT. It becomes a non-fungible token, and then you can resell it. So this is like ultimate cyberspace virtual reality. It is in its very early stages, and I expect this game to sweep the world by storm. Another one is Sandbox, but we're going to be focusing on Mana. I'm super bullish on this coin. It is very, very interesting. It has very strong fundamentals, and price is currently reflecting that because we are back up over $1. Literally, this virtual currency holds more value right now than the US dollar by 5 cents. Can you believe that? Guys, the central banks, they're printing money to oblivion. Cryptocurrency is the future. Get it through your head. Okay, let's go back to the top gainers. Let's see what else we got. Let me check out the stream chat. Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's go. Let's get some hype in the chat. How many viewers? We got 25 viewers. Thank you to everybody for showing up to the stream. This is absolutely epic, guys. 25 viewers. It's going to grow to 2,500 to 25,000 with all of your support. Let's go, baby. All right, let's continue the stream. For gainers, Solana, like I said, another smart contract platform, super bullish. Clayton, brand new. The graph. I called out the graph in my Telegram group. I said I was scaling into a position at $1.50 because I expected to do well. We're up about 13% since then. So congratulations if you got some profit on the graph. I'm still hodling that. Okay, so let's go over to some recent news articles. So essentially, NFTs. NFTs are the hot topic in crypto right now. It is essentially the bubble. It is all the hype. Everybody wants their NFTs. We got celebrities. We got famous YouTubers making their own NFTs. So what can you do from this? How can you get involved? Well, you could go and you could flip individual NFTs by going on marketplaces such as Rarible, OpenSea, and then finding undervalued NFTs and then waiting them to rise in value and then flip that for a profit. That's kind of like the Gary V garage sale strategy. It definitely works. You can make a lot of money doing that, but you got to be dedicated to finding those NFTs that are undervalued. So you have to know the market. You have to have some knowledge about what's going on. Another thing that you can do for NFTs is you can buy the overall network that the NFT is hosted on. For example, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana. Cardano says it's going to have NFTs. Guys, comment down below if you're still waiting for Cardano smart contracts. Charles and the team over at IOHK, they're really keeping us on suspense, but I think it's going to be worth it when Cardano actually finally releases. I am very bullish on Cardano. I have a large bag of Cardano. It's one of my largest positions. Got in at 8 cents. I'm very happy with how it's done. But yeah, you can buy the network that NFTs are hosted on if you don't want to invest in individual NFT tokens, non-fungible tokens. So keep that in mind. Okay, so yeah, so essentially in a recent CoinDesk interview, entrepreneur and digital economy maven Gary V looked at the current mania around non-fungible tokens with the mind-blowing prices being paid for tokenized digital artifacts compared to the 2000 dot-com bubble. So Gary V is comparing it to the early 2000 dot-com bubble where these tech stocks absolutely spiked and then the rug got pulled from underneath and they just crashed to essentially where they started from. A bunch of people made millions and lost millions in an instant. Those who took profit, that's a lesson. You need to take profit. Guys, this is the bull run year. I am expecting to have an absolutely insane altcoin season. But we need to be smart and we need to do this the right way because we don't, as Warren Buffett said, I know he's a hater of Bitcoin, but he has some wise words of wisdom. Warren Buffett says, you don't want to get caught wearing no pants when the tide goes out. Okay, what that means is you don't want to be exposed. You want to be smart and you want to take your profit as the market rises. And then if we see that blow off top, you don't want to sit there and hold on to your bags as they drop in value. You want to take profit as it goes up and as it goes down. So don't be greedy. Take your profits. change your life, buy that new car, buy that new house, go on that vacation, live in that new country you've always wanted to live in after this bull market. But right now in 2021, nothing else matters except for making gains in crypto. So block out all of the drama, all of the nonsense, all of the stuff that's not important, and focus your time on making gains. Because we're doing it. Thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of people all around the world that are into crypto are doing it right now. So there's no reason that you can't make life-changing gains yourself. Look, the opportunity is everywhere. We are in the information age. No more is information restricted to certain special interest groups. No, we have the internet, okay? If you want to learn something, you can literally Google it. I've been putting trading videos out on my channel because this is information that I wish I had when I was first starting getting into trading. I wish I had somebody that was making these kind of videos. Now, look, I'm not the only one making these. I'm nothing special, okay? But I'm sharing with you what I've learned after 4 years of trading in the markets. So you can definitely pick up a thing or two from watching my videos, not financial advice. But there's a lot to learn on the internet. No more are you restricted to, paywalls and special interest groups to get access to the information that the insiders have. It is readily available. Use it. Take action. That's the biggest thing. You need to take action when an opportunity arises. If you're, if you have $1,000 right now and that's all you have, and you have an opportunity to 10x that money, I would say, not financial advice, but I would say roll the dice. Okay, if all you got is 1K, you can go out and work and make 1K again. But if you have the opportunity to 10x it and you do 10x it, that is essentially life-changing. That changes your situation completely. So you need to be a bit risk averse here. You need to go a little further out on the risk curve with cryptocurrency. Most people can't stomach it. I tell my family, my friends to invest in crypto. They're like, oh, that's too risky. Look, they're missing out on 10x, 20x, 25x. We're going to be seeing 100x pumps in the altcoin market. I'm going to be sharing with you my top altcoin picks later on in this video. But take the risk, okay? Not financial advice. Do whatever you want. But if you have the opportunity to 10x your money and you don't take it, look, I don't know what to tell you. I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make it drink. Okay, why Bitcoin is a better risk bet than a stack of penny stocks. So another mainstream type of article. Look, Bitcoin is probably the best investment you can make right now for yourself and your family's future. In terms of long term, okay, Bitcoin is becoming the store of value, a digital store of value for the entire global financial system. It is going to eat the whole entire financial ecosystem of the current legacy world, meaning all of the big banks, the stock market, all the bond derivative markets. Bitcoin's going to eat it all. Bitcoin is the king. Look, we got people like Michael Saylor. I'm going to go to Twitter in a sec. We got people like Michael Saylor who literally called out the mobile revolution of the 2010s to 2020, that decade. In 2010, he was on camera saying how everything is going to be on your mobile phone. This is just as the first iPhone came out, saying everything's going to be on the mobile phone. It's going to totally sweep the world and change everything as we know it. Look at us now. We're in 2021. He essentially called it before it happened, and his next prediction is Bitcoin and blockchain technology, specifically Bitcoin from Michael Saylor. So get hyped up. I know a lot of people just want to be here and make a quick buck, which is why we trade altcoins. We're going to be getting into that in just 1 second, but you need to have a HODL portfolio that you do not touch, okay? Not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your portfolio, but you need to have one portfolio that you trade with. That's your active income portfolio. And then you need to have a HODL portfolio that you only add money into that you make from trading. You don't take money out of your HODL portfolio. I see this time and time again. Like I said, you need to take some risk, but you need to be smart as well. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have a HODL portfolio that you only add into, essentially your retirement account, your savings account. Think of it as a 401k, but for cryptocurrency. This is how you will really store your wealth and preserve your wealth for your future and your family's future. Super important that you do this. You won't hear it. Yeah, you will hear it everywhere else. Or most people actually on YouTube are all hype nowadays saying to go all in on alts. I'm going to stake my claim and be a little bit different by saying you should have some of your money, of course, in Bitcoin and Ethereum, in Polkadot. The top coins, you need to have some money in there, especially Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a better investment than penny stocks. I agree with this guy who wrote this article. Okay, talking about some wisdom. So, this is a tweet from Documenting Bitcoin. You can follow them on Twitter. But they said, once a skeptic, another Norwegian billionaire buys Bitcoin. Can't bear to see that his millionaire friend is making money and not him. So what we're seeing is the game theory of Bitcoin play out now in the real world. Millionaires and billionaires have taken notice to the collapse of the old legacy financial system. They realize that money printing and quantitative easing cannot last forever. It is not sustainable. By printing money into oblivion, we are debasing, devaluing all fiat currencies. So you need to preserve your wealth. And where are the billionaires going now? Yeah, they're going into real estate. Yes, they're going into fine art, but they're going into Bitcoin. So what we're seeing with his tweet is these people, these billionaires are having fear of missing out on Bitcoin. Guys, if we look at the price chart, we're at $55,000. We just hit a level of supply in the 2-hour. But we've been ranging from, 50 to 62,000 now for a few weeks. This is an accumulation zone. If we go out on a weekly chart, as you can see, guys, we are in the stratosphere and we're only getting started. So we had a huge rally up until January. We had a pullback, 3 huge green weeks. Absolutely ripped it during these weeks. We went up about 76% in 3 weeks from the start of January. We pulled back, 2 explosive. See this bullish engulfing candle engulfs these other candles over here. I'll draw a ray so you can see that. And that bullish engulfing candle. So we're in a bull market. This up market is, this bull trend is continuing. If I put some EMAs on the chart, let's drop down to a daily. So as you can see, we're pretty far away from the 200 EMA on the daily. So we're in a heavy bull market. Price just tested the 50 EMA on the daily. And if we look at the 21, we are well above the 50, which is super bullish, but price is just beneath that, so it tested the 50. I expect this bull market to continue, and we are in an accumulation zone right now, meaning that these billionaires that are having the fear of missing out, they are buying Bitcoin in droves in this $50,000 to $60,000 range. Don't get fooled, don't get shaken out, don't think that, oh, Bitcoin's gonna drop. No, hold strong. You need diamond hands in this market to be successful. You need to let your winners run. If you just sell too early all the time, you're going to miss out on huge, huge profits. I don't want to see that happen to any of my followers and viewers, subscribers. So diamond hands. So as you can see, we look for some short-term trading opportunities. So I'm going to go down to a 1 hour, and I want to give this example of a trading opportunity that I saw in the markets. So here we had, I'm looking right here, guys. So this is a beautiful example of a rally-based rally zone that worked out beautifully. I'll be honest with you, I took the trade, but I took this higher zone, and then I actually closed early because I saw that price was dropping down into this lower zone. So if you would have taken your entry down here, you would have just gotten nicked in. This was an intraday scalp trade. I didn't actually announce it to anybody. I was just kind of doing it on my own. But this just shows you how good supply and demand actually works. Rally-based rally, price came, it retests. If we take our Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low, price went right to the 50% extension, right into the demand zone. And then as you can see from that entry, we are up about 3%. Of course, if you're trading with leverage, that is a very healthy gain. Now we're back in the supply zone. So I'm expecting actually I'm bullish. I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now. Of course, I could be wrong, but little short-term trading opportunity. We had another demand zone form. We have a drop base, rally base. I'll draw this for you. So for a bit of a scalp, I think we will see a bounce in this area. Not financial advice. Take with this information of what you will. Again, not financial advice. Let's check out the stream chat. Yo, what's up, everybody? Oh my God, I'm so happy that everybody is here. Yes, okay, altcoin season is starting. I'm glad you asked that. Okay, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. So we're still in this range. We're still range bound here for Bitcoin dominance. but we are at the bottom of the range, okay? I think that this bottom is going to fall out. I'm I can't give 100% confidence. We could have some major headline come out tomorrow and cause Bitcoin to pump, which would, of course, suck money back from alts into Bitcoin. But I believe that this Bitcoin dominance chart is going to drop. So with this being said, we've been going for like 20 minutes already. Time is just flying by. I'm having too much fun on this stream with all of you guys. Thank you for all being here. If you haven't subscribed already, smash the subscribe button, hit the like, leave some comments. Let's just get hype, okay? So now we're going to get into alts, okay? So first alt, DIA, okay? I've been talking about this one for a while now. If you're subscribed to the channel, if you've been watching, pay attention to my Telegram group, I've been calling out DIA. I gave an entry in the group, and since that entry, if we take a look at the chart, let's go to the DIA chart. DIA, where are you, DIA? Right here. So we'll look at the USD chart because I was charting that actually in my Telegram group. So I gave this rally base, let's zoom into a 4-hour. So we have a rally base, strong explosive rally out of the zone. I called this one out in my Telegram group. I said take your entry in the zone. What happened? Price left the zone, retraced right back into it, and it exploded out of it. Okay, super bullish move with DIA, up 42% from entry. This is altcoin season. If we look at the DIA BTC chart, Rip City out here, dog. Check this out. We're looking at a 4-hour chart. So what happened? Where did price drop to? It looks like it dropped into this former supply zone. This is what we call like a support resistance flip. But yeah, price dropped into a key area on the chart. And what do we have? We have a huge move out. You can stack a lot of Bitcoin by trading altcoins. So it went up as much as 37%. It's now sitting at a nice healthy 22% gain for DIA. Okay, another coin that I'm very bullish on, I mentioned it last week, is API3. Now, API3 is a decentralized oracle. So we have Chainlink, we have Band Protocol. These are two very popular oracles, but they say they're decentralized, but they are not fully decentralized. Right now, a centralized party is entering data into these oracles that are then connecting to smart contracts, which is how the smart contracts get their real-world information. So there's somebody entering the data in, so it can be manipulated, is what I'm trying to say. So we have, a lot of sports betting happening on smart contracts. We have polls and voting happening. If a centralized party is entering that data from an oracle like Chainlink, the data can be manipulated. What API3 is, it's a completely decentralized oracle. I think decentralization is going to be the next huge trend in cryptocurrency. So API3, a decentralized oracle, it's trustless, it's immutable. You can't manipulate the data. Like I say here, the truth will always rise above the water, and API3 is doing that with their decentralized oracle network. Super bullish on this one. It'll hit, $10 plus, not financial advice, but it will be hitting $10 plus soon when we see our next big leg up in alts. Another one, Akash network. Okay, so Akash, I was saying before decentralization, and I gave an example about Amazon Web Service, Amazon Cloud. If you were to host your website on Amazon Cloud, you are reliant on their servers for your site. If they go down, you go down with them. You don't want that. What Akash is, we'll just go to their website very quickly. What Akash is it's decentralized cloud computing. Okay, the world's first open source cloud and D-Cloud for DeFi. So you're going to be able to build your website on a decentralized cloud now. Okay, a blockchain cloud. Can you imagine that? The infrastructure that is being built right now in blockchain technology is completely revolutionizing the world. Pay attention. I'm bullish on Akash. You're going to be able to host your servers on a decentralized cloud, and it is going to completely change the way that we handle computing, that people build their sites, that people get their information. And let's see current price. We are currently $5. We're down a bit. BTFD, buy the dip, people, not financial advice. Okay, next altcoin, Pancake Swap. Binance Smart Chain absolutely taking the world by storm. If you guys don't know about the Binance Smart Chain, if you haven't used it yet, I'm going to be making a full Pancake Swap tutorial so that you can learn how to actually start yield farming and doing DeFi on the Binance Smart Chain. Because if you did it on the Ethereum network, for example, if you were using Uniswap, if you wanted to use Uniswap, you have to pay so much to interact with these smart contracts. The gas fees are through the roof. So that's why Binance Smart Chain is so popular right now. You can pay fractions of cents for the gas fees, and you can be making 100% to... I called out a coin in my Telegram group, a token I should say, that was doing 3,900% APY for liquidity mining. When I called it out, it's now down to like 2,000 APY. But this is passive income. It's absolutely insane what's happening on the Binance Smart Chain and in DeFi. So, Pancake Swap, super bullish on. This one was $10 just a few days ago. It's now back up to... sorry, let me just see. Pancake Swap's back up to $16. Very, very healthy gain. Okay, I'm super bullish on Pancake Swap. I think it's going to match Uniswap because I see the network effect taking over with this one. People are using Cake more than they are using Ethereum and Uni. So Pancake, flip those cakes, baby. Stack those cakes. Not financial advice. Next one, a bit of a low cap degen call is KickPad. Now, what KickPad is, it's a launch pad for the Binance Smart Chain, meaning new projects are going to be launching on Binance Smart Chain, and this is their incubator, KickPad. So you need to hold KickPad tokens to get in on these pre-sales, essentially. Look, I got in, I didn't call this one out or anything, I just made a decision to get in, and I'm up like over 50% on that purchase with BNB right now. Love it. I'm here for the gains, baby. We're all here for the gains. Let's check out the chat. Talking about risk, swirl to the moon. Let's go, baby. Swirl to the moon. Take a look at Luna. Okay, love the enthusiasm. Yes, thank you for being here. Nano, I'm bullish on Nano, like Nano. Okay, let's take a look at Luna. We had a request from a viewer. Okay, let's take a look at the Luna chart. Take a look versus USDT. Ooh, what happened? I had this demand zone drawn out on the chart. Rally, base, huge explosive rally. Price came and retested this zone. We can take our fib and we can see that we went right to the 0.786 retracement level. Would have been a beautiful entry. I've been getting a lot of questions. How would you take a trade like this, Connor? How do you put your entry, stop, and target? Great question. I'm glad you asked. So what you would actually do to take your entry, I'll draw a long position for you guys. You would put your entry, you would use the fib level of the 16.27 cents as your entry price. Now you would want to put your stop loss just below the lowest wick on the zone. So you would put it just below the lowest wick here, all right? And then you would take a 3-to-1. So as we can see, this amount is 10.8%. So that means we would have to go to 30% up here to make it a 3-to-1. So it would look something like this. You put your entry right at the proximal line of the zone. The first basing candle is where you draw your proximal line. You put your stop loss just below the distal line, meaning the lowest wick of the zone, and then you take profits at 3-to-1. So you would take profits. What is this, guys? What is this up here where the take profit is? Well, it looks like a supply zone to me, right? We have a drop. It's actually a rally base drop, but we would take this smallest candle to the highest wick, and then your take profit would be right at the start of this supply zone. So we'll see how this trade plays out. The entry is already passed. Don't chase. But it looks like we have a rally-based rally, and price is probably going to retest this demand zone. Not financial advice. Do what you want in the markets. I'm just a guy talking on YouTube about what I see in the charts and my opinion on cryptocurrency. Wow, Connor, every time you're giving us some Pearl. Yes, thank you. All right, thoughts on Algo? I have a bag of Algo. I'm bullish on Algo. Smart contract platform. Again, all Ethereum competitors I expect to do well this bull market. All right, so bullish on that. Planning to invest in VeChain for long term? Yes, I think that's a good idea. Stake that VeChain, earn that VThor, and let it do its thing, all right? That's a hodl position, VeChain, for me. Not financial advice. But, yeah, VeChain, bullish. Very bullish. Okay, let's see some hype in the chat. Let's see some hype. What's everybody else talking about? Okay, so look, we've been going for like 30 minutes now, people. I want to leave it to you guys. Let's do a little bit of Q&A. We're going to do 5 to 10 minutes of Q&A right now before we wrap this stream up. I want to say thank you again for joining my stream, participating live with me, coming on, spending your Sunday here on Crypto Empire. That is absolutely awesome. I am very grateful for your support. Let's keep on growing, people. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also share this video with your friends. But let's do some Q&A, people. What questions do you guys have? We'll take a look at Nano right now. Nano. Okay, I'm actually going to say as well, there is a coin that I am actually super bullish on. It is a super low cap coin. And I believe it is the next meme coin to kind of take over the world, kind of like a Doge. If you guys want to know about that coin, let me know in the chat, okay? I'm only going to talk about it if you guys want to hear about it. But this one could be super interesting. It's a meme coin, so don't take it too seriously, but some interesting things are planned for this one. But Nano, yeah, Nano, I'm bullish on Nano. Solid project. Any explanation on how staking works? Great question. So staking, essentially, how it works is first, you need to add liquidity. So you would do that by going to a decentralized exchange such as PancakeSwap. So you need to add liquidity. You do that by first buying the token that you want to add liquidity in. Let's say you wanted to add liquidity to, where's Cake? We'll do Alice, whatever. It doesn't matter, okay? So you buy some Alice, all right? And now you want to add, now you want to stake your Alice. How you would do that is you would come over here to liquidity, and then you would go add liquidity. Let's wait for it to load up. All right, add liquidity. And then you would go over here to Alice, and then you would hit, you would put in, let's say you had 100, you would put in 100 Alex. To do that, you would need 5.9 BNB. And then you would hit, down here, you would hit add. So now you would put these tokens into PancakeSwap, into the smart contract, and in return you would get liquidity provider tokens back into your wallet. Okay, now your added liquidity, now you need a stake. Okay, you add liquidity first and then you go to staking your LP tokens. So you would go to the Alice application and then you would go and stake your, it's actually right here in Syrup Pools as well, where you stake your LP tokens. You can earn a very decent yield on PancakeSwap. Let's see if they have an Alice pool open. They have a lot of pools. So yeah, you would put your LP tokens into one of these Syrup pools or on the application's liquidity mining, liquidity providing section on their site, and then you would be gaining rewards from that stake. So how staking works, I'm going to summarize. I hope that made sense for you guys. I hope it clears some things up. First, you add liquidity, you get LP tokens, then you go and stake your LP tokens. All right, that's how staking works. Next question, what's going on? All right. Oh, I know it's a Pew coin. What do you think of SafeMoon? I haven't really looked into SafeMoon, to be honest with you. I want to start trading with a little amount, but where do I get my information? I would like to do day trading. Where you get your information for day trading? Technical analysis, the charts. The charts don't lie, okay? So you need to start studying technical analysis. You need pattern recognition down in your brain to be a successful day trader. Where do you get your information? These candlesticks are all the information that you need to be a successful trader. Watch my previous 2 videos about trading. I'm going to be coming out with more resources as this channel develops to take your trading to the next level as well. But yeah, all the information is in the charts. I currently stake on KuCoin and you explained it very well. Awesome, Dre. I'm glad you got that explanation. Talk a little bit about Zill. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at the Zilliqa chart. Absolutely, I'm very bullish on Zilliqa, and it's kind of been just chilling in a range, and that's a fractal it's chilling in. Where is my Zilliqa? Here it is. Okay, so yeah, I'll draw this out for you guys. So right now it's consolidating before its next leg up. I think where this bull trend will continue. So what we have is we have a huge move up, creating a swing high here. Then we create a swing low. We create another swing high. If you watch this video, you know we like 2 to 3 swing highs in the fractal. Another swing low, then a lower high. And I think it's getting ready now to have its next leg up. If you guys like that TA, let me know in the comments, but I'll explain this a little bit more right now. So, yeah, where did price go? It created a lower low here, but if we go over here, we always got to look left. and we can see that there is a lot of support over here in this area. So price is using this former supply zone now as support. New demand zones formed. And now let's take a look at the whole entire measured move from this swing low to this swing high. Let's go out to a daily. Okay, so I'm going to take a move from this high to this low here. And where did price come down and touch? It tested the 50% level, which aligns perfectly with this area of support here on the chart. So I'm expecting Zilliqa. We need to see Bitcoin dominance drop, but Zilliqa at 16.9 cents. If you're going to be buying spot and staking it for a while, it's an amazing entry. Okay. Look, I talked about it when I did my Zilliqa video. When we had the move up from, the first move up from like 3 cents to 10 cents, everybody was like, oh my God, I missed out on Zilliqa. No, you didn't, because what happened, we doubled, we 2x'd. And look at the period of consolidation that happened when this former pump happened back in December, the first Zilliqa pump. We had a huge explosive move up. Then we had days, weeks, maybe even a month. We had over a month of consolidation before it broke out of the range. It happened again, and then we broke out of the range. This is how the altcoins work. They pump, they consolidate, and they pump again, all right? Pattern recognition. This plays out over and over. And with altcoins in this bull market and altcoin season, it's just so simple. Pump, consolidation, pump, all right? We're expecting the next leg up for Zilliqa soon. Where you want to be buying Zilliqa? When it's at the bottom of this range. You want to be buying in this area on the chart, okay? Not financial advice. Are you just going to have live trading someday? Are you going to have live trading someday, or are you just spot trading? I do both. Currently, I've just been spot trading, but look, I've been trading for 4 years. I started out trading crude oil, the ES, YM, and the futures markets, day trading. I have a lot of experience doing that, and I'm getting more back into trading, day trading with leverage and swing trading with leverage as well. But yeah, I've been making a lot of money spot trading. You don't even need to touch leverage, like I've said in previous videos, to make gains. Learn with spot, and then jump into using leverage and really multiplying your gains. 1,000 and 10,000 videos. Yes, I've been thinking about doing that. I'm glad you commented that. I will start making these videos this week. What program are you using on your PC? I'm using Streamlabs OBS and TradingView, yes. Okay, very useful. Okay, guys, listen, I'm going to wrap the stream up here. We had over 30 viewers watching me live. We got 27 viewers to the end. That is sick. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. All right, we're going to be doing another one next Sunday. We're going to have videos pumping out on the channel all week. So get hyped up. Crypto Empire taking over the cryptocurrency space on YouTube. I couldn't do this without every single one of you. So again, thank you. My name is Connor from Crypto Empire. We'll see you on the next one. Next live is next Sunday, all right? I'll announce if that changes. We'll see you on the next one.